Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about T account and normal balance, and we're going to derive it from the counting equation. So counting equation says that assets equals liabilities plus equity. Okay, and we know that equity consists of common stock plus retained earnings. Okay, and retained earnings is the accumulated net income. So we know that the revenues are going to increase net income, and revenues are going to increase retained earnings or equity. Okay, and expenses are going to reduce net income. So expenses are going to reduce retained earnings. Also, dividends. Dividends reduce the amount of net income that we can put back into the company, so dividends will reduce the retained earnings. Okay, so if we put assets here equals liabilities plus, or maybe I could make it here, liabilities plus equity plus revenues, because revenues increase equity, minus expenses, because expenses decrease equity, minus dividends. Okay, so that's our accounting equation. And then we're going to move expenses and dividends to the left. So assets plus expenses plus dividends equals liabilities plus equity plus revenues. Okay, so these three groups, assets, expenses, and dividends, are on the left sides of the equation. So they have debit or left-hand side normal balance. And these three, liabilities, equity, and revenues, because they're on the right-hand side of the equation, they have the credit or right-hand side normal balance. Okay, what does that mean? Let's take a look at the assets with the debit normal balance. That means when there is an increase in asset, we will put it on the left-hand side, and when there is a decrease in assets, we will put it on the right-hand side. That's a debit normal balance. And normally, the ending balance is on the green area here, is on the left-hand side. Now, credit normal balance means if there is an increase in that account, we put it on credit. And if there is a decrease in that account, we will put it on debit on the other side. And the normal balance, usually those accounts have the balance on the right-hand side of the T account. Okay, that's the relationship between the T account, the normal balance, and the accounting equations. So if we look at this in general, companies have these accounts. So cash, accounts receivable, supplies, prepaid insurance, equipment, those are assets. So they all have debit normal balances. Salaries expense, utility expense, and other expenses have debit normal balances. Dividends have debit normal balance. Those are the group that are on the left side of the equation. Credit accounts includes payables, unearned revenues, accounts payable, notes payable. They all have right-hand side normal balances or credit normal balances. Common stock and retained earnings are equity. So they have credit normal balances, and service revenue has a credit normal balance. So that's how we explain what normal balance is, and that's what we're going to use to record various transactions. Thank you for watching.